This video is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or sponsored by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE. It is created solely for educational purposes to help viewers expand their automotive knowledge and prepare for ASE-style topics. For official information, study materials, and certification details, please refer directly to ASE.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really helpful lined up for you. 50 practice multiple-choice questions to test your knowledge and help you study smarter. Whether you're brushing up for an exam, preparing for a certification, or just wanting to strengthen your automotive skills, this video is designed to guide you step by step. Grab a notebook, follow along, and see how many you can get right. Let's dive in and start learning together.
Which of the following best defines damage analysis? A. Determining vehicle resale value. B. Identifying and documenting all accident-related damage. C. Inspecting paint color accuracy. D. Reviewing the insurance policy. Correct answer, B. Identifying and documenting all accident-related damage. Explanation. Damage analysis ensures that all collision-related damages are found, documented, and estimated properly. 2. When performing an initial inspection, the estimator should A. Look only at exterior panels. B. Inspect the entire vehicle for related and unrelated damage. C. Focus on visible dents only. D. Skip mechanical systems. Correct answer, B. Inspect the entire vehicle for related and unrelated damage. Explanation. A full inspection identifies both visible and hidden collision-related issues to prevent supplements. 3. A related prior damage note in an estimate means A. The damage was repaired before. B. The damage existed before the loss but is connected to the claim. C. The insurer already paid for it. D. The shop caused it during repair. Correct answer, B. The damage existed before the loss but is connected to the claim. Explanation. It distinguishes between unrelated pre-existing damage and damage made worse by the collision. 4. Labor time in estimating refers to A. The total repair cost. B. The number of hours needed for a specific operation. C. The amount billed per hour. D. Paint drying time. Correct answer, B. The number of hours needed for a specific operation. Explanation. Labor time represents how long it should take a skilled technician to complete an operation. 5. Frame damage is suspected when A. Doors and hoods fit evenly. B. Uneven panel gaps and misaligned suspension are seen. C. The vehicle starts normally. D. The bumper paint is scuffed. Correct answer, B. Uneven panel gaps and misaligned suspension are seen. Explanation. Frame damage often results in irregular gaps, pulling, or poor wheel alignment. 6. Which system typically provides labor and parts pricing data? A. ASE Study Guide. B. CCC1 or Mitchell. C. NADA Book. D. Kelly Blue Book. Correct answer is B. CCC1 or Mitchell. Explanation. Professional estimating systems supply OEM parts prices, labor times, and refinish rates. 7. When measuring a damaged vehicle, reference points should come from A. Manufacturer's specification data. B. The estimator's best guess. C. Body filler thickness. D. Paint diagrams. Correct answer is A. Manufacturer's specification data. Explanation. OEM measurement charts ensure proper alignment back to factory geometry. 8. Deductible means A. The amount the insurer pays. B.
the portion of repair cost paid by the customer. C, a tax on labor. D, a paint material fee. Correct answer is B, the portion of repair cost paid by the customer. Explanation: the deductible is the insured's out-of-pocket responsibility on a claim. 9. The base coat clear coat system refers to A, powder coating, B, two-layer paint finish, C, primer-only process, D, OEM corrosion coating. Correct answer is B, two-layer paint finish. Explanation: the base coat provides color, and the clear coat provides gloss and protection. 10. When performing a sectioning repair, you must A, weld anywhere convenient, B, follow OEM-approved joint locations, C, use filler to hide seams, D, skip corrosion treatment. Correct answer is B, follow OEM-approved joint locations. Explanation: improper sectioning can compromise crash performance and warranty compliance. 11. The estimator should photograph A, only completed repairs, B, all damaged areas and VIN, C, the insurance policy, D, only hidden damage. Correct answer, B, all damaged areas and VIN. Explanation: photos serve as visual documentation for insurers, customers, and supplements. 12. The abbreviation R&I excludes A, reinstallation, B, refinishing, C, removing the part, D, reinstalling clips. Correct answer, B, refinishing. Explanation: R&I does not include refinishing. Paint time must be added separately. 13. A repair versus replace decision depends on A, paint color, B, repair cost and safety impact, C, customer preference only, D, insurance deductible. Correct answer, B, repair cost and safety impact. Explanation: if repair cost approaches replacement or safety may be affected, replacement is chosen. 14. Feather edge, prime, and block is A, frame repair operation, B, standard surface preparation procedure, C, paint mixing method, D, seam sealing technique. Correct answer, B, standard surface preparation procedure. Explanation: it smooths transitions, seals surfaces, and levels imperfections before painting. 15. When estimating aluminum panel repair, you should A, use the same techniques as steel, B, verify OEM repairability and separate work area, C, weld with steel wire, D, hammer and dolly the same way as mild steel. Correct answer, B, verify OEM repairability and separate work area. Explanation: aluminum requires different tools, isolation, and bonding methods to prevent contamination. 16. Which of these would be classified as mechanical damage? A, broken grille, B, bent control arm, C, cracked bumper cover, D, dented door skin. Correct answer, B, bent control arm. Explanation: suspension, steering, or engine component damage is considered mechanical. 17. When determining paint material cost, the estimator should A, use a multiplier or paint hour formula, B, guess based on color, C, bill flat rate only, D, use customer preference. Correct answer, A, use a multiplier or paint hour formula. Explanation: paint material costs are based on refinishing hours multiplied by an approved rate. 18.
If the insurer disagrees with your estimate, you should A. Refuse to revise, B. Provide documentation and negotiate professionally, C. Submit an invoice immediately, D. Ignore their comments. Correct answer, B. Provide documentation and negotiate professionally. Explanation: communication and documentation maintain credibility and resolve discrepancies. 19. Overlap deduction prevents A. The insurer paying twice for the same labor, B. The painter applying too much clear, C. Mixing paint incorrectly, D. Improper corrosion protection. Correct answer, A. The insurer paying twice for the same labor. Explanation: it ensures overlapping labor steps, example, adjacent panels, aren't double charged. 20. What type of part is labeled OEM? A. Recycled, B. Factory original, C. Aftermarket, D. Rebuilt. Correct answer, B. Factory original. Explanation: OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer, identical to factory parts. 21. A salvage title is issued when A. The car has new paint, B. The vehicle is stolen, C. Repairs exceed a certain percentage of value, D. The car fails emissions. Correct answer, C. Repairs exceed a certain percentage of value. Explanation: when total repair cost crosses the statutory threshold, the title becomes salvage. 22. The repair estimate must include A. Insurance rates, B. Labor, parts, materials, and sublet items, C. Only paintwork, D. Vehicle resale value. Correct answer, B. Labor, parts, materials, and sublet items. Explanation: these components represent the total repair cost for the claim. 23. The acronym DTC stands for A. Drive time calculation, B. Diagnostic trouble code, C. Direct time charge, D. Damage time category. Correct answer, B. Diagnostic trouble code. Explanation: DTCs identify electronic system malfunctions found in pre- and post-scans. 24. When estimating a suspension repair, which should you confirm? A. Paint color, B. Wheel alignment specifications, C. Tire brand, D. VIN plate location. Correct answer, B. Wheel alignment specifications. Explanation: measuring alignment ensures that structural geometry is correct after repair. 25. The term corrosion protection includes A. Only wax application, B. Primer, seam sealer, and cavity wax, C. Paint only, D. Rust removal tools. Correct answer, B. Primer, seam sealer, and cavity wax. Explanation: these materials prevent rust in seams and concealed areas.
26. Recycled parts are often A. Poor quality, B. OEM parts from dismantled vehicles, C. Unapproved for insurance claims, D. Unavailable for late model cars. Correct answer is B. OEM parts from dismantled vehicles. Explanation: they are genuine OEM components salvaged from donor vehicles. 27. Pre-repair scanning helps to A. Reset airbags, B. Identify hidden electronic damage, C. Match paint color, D. Dry paint faster. Correct answer is B. Identify hidden electronic damage. Explanation: scans detect modules or sensors affected by collision impact. 28. Structural parts include A. Door handles and mirrors. B. Frame rails, aprons, rockers, and pillars. C. Seat covers and carpets. D. Grills and moldings. Correct answer is B. Frame rails, aprons, rockers, and pillars. Explanation: these components contribute to the overall structural integrity of the vehicle. 29. A repair plan should contain A. Labor hours only. B. Photos, notes, and line items for each operation. C. Customer address only. D. Insurance rates only. Correct answer is B. Photos, notes, and line items for each operation. Documentation supports estimate accuracy and claim approval. 30. Panel bonding adhesive is typically used for A. Roof skins and aluminum panels. B. Frame rails. C. Suspension parts. D. Windshield glass. Correct answer is A. Roof skins and aluminum panels. Explanation: adhesive bonding is common on non-structural panel replacements.
31. The estimator should verify which of the following before paint mixing. A. Paint code from the VIN label. B. Engine displacement. C. Wheel size. D. Trim level only. Correct answer: A. Paint code from the VIN label. The VIN plate or manufacturer tag lists the exact paint code needed for color matching. 32. The repair order must include A. Customer signature. B. Technician's name only. C. Shop overhead cost. D. Paint code only. Correct answer: A. Customer signature. Signed authorization is legally required before any repairs are made. 33. What is seam sealer used for? A. Prevents water leaks and corrosion at joints. B. Improves paint gloss. C. Removes dust. D. Acts as filler. Correct answer: A. Prevents water leaks and corrosion at joints. Seam sealers restore factory watertight integrity after panel replacement. 34. Paint blending is typically required when A. Using a solid color. B. Color match cannot be achieved by spraying only the replaced panel. C. The panel is black. D. The paint is matte. Correct answer: B. Color match cannot be achieved by spraying only the replaced panel. Blending hides minor color differences and ensures uniform appearance. 35. Sublet operations should A. Be performed by the same shop. B. Be itemized separately on the estimate. C. Always be included in paint time. D. Not be charged. Correct answer: B. Itemized separately on the estimate. Sublet items, example alignment, towing, glass, must be listed individually. 36. A judgment item example is A. Wheel alignment. B. Buffing and polishing time. C. OEM part price. D. Paint code lookup. Correct answer is B. Buffing and polishing time. Explanation: judgment items lack defined labor times and depend on estimator experience. 37. When a VIN scan doesn't match, the estimator should A. Guess noddle data. B. Verify the number on the vehicle itself. C. Proceed without correction. Or D. Skip parts listing. Correct answer is B. Verify the number on the vehicle itself. Explanation: errors in VIN entry can cause incorrect part pricing or repair procedures. 38. Pre-accident photographs help A. Prove unrelated damage existed before the loss. B. Change insurance coverage. C. Replace parts faster, or D. Skip supplements? Correct answer is A. Prove unrelated damage existed before the loss. Explanation: documentation helps avoid disputes about responsibility for old damage. 39. The refinish materials rate is typically measured A. As a cost per hour, B. By weight, C. As a flat fee per panel, or D. By square foot. Correct answer is A. As a cost per hour. Explanation: paint material cost is based on labor hours multiplied by a set material rate. 40. A repair supplement is written when A. New damage is discovered after teardown, B. Customer requests a discount, C. Parts arrive late, or D. Vehicle is finished early. Correct answer is A. New damage is discovered after teardown. Explanation: supplements update the original estimate with additional necessary repairs.
41. Masking in refinishing means A. Sanding primer, B. Covering areas not to be painted, C. Mixing clear coat, D. Heating the paint booth. Correct answer? B. Covering areas not to be painted. Explanation: masking prevents overspray and ensures clean paint edges. 42. Feather edge operations are required after A. Welding, B. Grinding and sanding to bare metal, C. Seam sealing, D. Polishing. Correct answer: B. Grinding and sanding to bare metal. Explanation: it creates a smooth transition between old and new surfaces. 43. Estimators should always A. Overcharge for hidden damage, B. Support all entries with evidence and documentation, C. Use generic labor times, D. Skip digital photos. Correct answer: B. Support all entries with evidence and documentation. Explanation: transparency and detailed documentation prevent disputes and ensure fairness. 44. A paint overlap deduction usually applies when A. Refinishing adjacent panels, B. Using waterborne paint, C. Adding clear coat, D. Applying primer only. Correct answer: A. Refinishing adjacent panels. Explanation: labor overlap deduction removes duplicate time for shared operations. 45. OEM structural repairs require A. Following manufacturer sectioning and welding instructions, B. Using filler to bridge seams, C. Only straightening with chains, D. Ignoring replacement intervals. Correct answer: A. Following manufacturer sectioning and welding instructions. Explanation: OEM-approved procedures maintain strength and crash safety.
46. The paint code label is often located A. On the bumper, B. Inside the door jamb or under hood, C. In the glove box only, D. Under carpet. Correct answer: B. Inside the door jamb or under hood. Explanation: vehicle manufacturers typically place color code labels in these common spots. 47. Which operation is not included in refinish time? A. Masking jams, B. Mixing paint, C. Spraying clear coat, D. Cleaning the gun. Correct answer: D. Cleaning the gun. Explanation: equipment maintenance is a non-included operation and billed separately. 48. The customer's primary concern is usually A. Repair duration and final appearance, B. Insurance labor rate, C. Shop overhead, D. Material markup. Correct answer A. Repair duration and final appearance. Explanation. Customers expect timely repairs that restore pre-loss appearance and safety. 49. When estimating a total loss, you must determine A. The actual cash value, or ACV, B. The deductible amount, C. The customer's income, D. The frame bench brand. Correct answer, A. The actual cash value. Explanation. ACV determines if the vehicle is economically repairable or totaled. 50. The final review of an estimate ensures A. All line items are justified and accurate, B. Discounts are added, C. Paint codes match insurance numbers, D. VINs are hidden. Correct answer, A. All line items are justified and accurate. Explanation. A final audit prevents billing errors and ensures professional presentation.
Thanks so much for studying with us today. I hope these practice questions helped boost your confidence and sharpen your skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next study session. You can click the links on screen right now to watch another study video and keep your learning going. I'll see you over there.